Hey guys, welcome back to Power Life Hack, your go-to channel for smart health, fitness and wellness tips, especially for men who want to stay strong, healthy and pain-free after 40. Let's be real, hitting 40 doesn't mean giving up the gym, but it does mean training smarter. Today, I'm going to show you 10 exercises every man over 40 should avoid, and what to do instead. These aren't just preferences. These are movements that could mess up your joints, wreck your lower back, and stall your progress if you're not careful. So, grab a seat, take notes, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment if you've done any of these, and subscribe to Power Life Hack so you never miss a health smart video built just for you. Let's dive in. I know, this is controversial, but for men over 40, barbell back squats can be brutal on the lower back and knees, especially if you're dealing with tight hips or poor ankle mobility. If your form isn't perfect, the risk of disc issues or chronic knee pain skyrockets. Instead, try goblet squats or Bulgarian split squats. These build leg strength without compressing the spine. This one's a shoulder destroyer. Over time, this position forces your shoulders into an unnatural rotation, increasing your risk of impingement or even a rotator cuff tear. Do this instead. Arnold press or dumbbell overhead press with proper posture. Keep your elbows slightly in front of your body. It looks simple, but it's a shoulder time bomb. Upright rows, especially with a barbell, can lead to shoulder impingement syndrome, especially if your rotator cuffs are already tight or weak. Instead, go for lateral raises or face pulls for safe shoulder development. Again, great for young lifters, but over 40? Unless your form is flawless and you have zero back issues, heavy conventional deadlifts can really strain your lumbar spine and lead to herniated discs. Instead, try trap bar deadlifts or Romanian deadlifts for hamstring and glute strength without the lower back stress. You're not in CrossFit and your shoulders will thank you. The explosive swinging motion can rip up rotator cuffs and strain the elbows, especially if you lack shoulder mobility. So, stick with slow, controlled pull-ups or lat pull-downs if you're building strength. Yes, old school, but also bad for your back. Crunches place a lot of pressure on the spinal discs and do very little for core stability, especially for older guys. Do this instead: planks, dead bugs, or Pallof presses. Your back and abs will thank you. So, while this machine might look harmless at first glance, it actually isolates the knee joint in a way that's, not really natural. This can really increase shear force on the knee, and over time that could lead to long-term joint damage, especially if you've had injuries in the past. A much better option would be step-ups, lunges, or wall sites instead. That fixed bar path? Not doing your body any favors. It forces your knees and hips into unnatural positions, which can really stress the joints and reduce functional movement. Honestly, you should choose free weights or resistance bands where your body moves naturally. Burpees are high impact and tough on your wrists, shoulders, knees, and your lower back. For older guys with any joint issues, this is a recipe for pain, not progress. Instead, try low-impact HIIT alternatives like step jacks, mountain climbers, or squat to press. Still trying to lift like you're 25? The bench press with ego weights is a fast way to a torn pec or injured shoulder. You should use dumbbells instead for a safer range of motion and honestly better muscle engagement. So there you have it. 10 exercises men over 40 should avoid to protect your joints, your back, and your gains. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest, it's about lifting smart and staying strong for the long haul. Comment below. Which of these exercises surprised you the most? Are you still doing any of them? Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Power Life Hack for more age-smart fitness tips. And hey, share it with a friend who's still lifting like he's 20. See you in the next video, legends.